Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Casey Crystal Ju Consejero. Section 10 Magalang. This is my argumentative essay. It's all about love or education. Which should come first? In today's society, many young people struggle to choose between prioritizing love or education. Some argue that love gives meaning to life, while others believe education is the key to a brighter future. Although both are important, education should come before love because it provides stability, opportunities, and personal growth. First, education builds the foundation for a successful future. Without a proper education, it is difficult to secure a good job, earn a stable income, and provide for one's needs. Love may bring happiness, but it cannot pay bills or guarantee a better standard of last a lifetime, making it more practical to prioritize. Second, focusing on education before love allows individuals to grow independently. A person who is educated becomes confident, capable, and mature enough to handle relationships in the future. Rushing into love without being prepared can lead to distraction, poor decision, and even failed relationships. Education develops critical thinking and responsibility, which are also essential in building a strong and lasting love. On the other hand, some may argue that love is more important because it gives emotional support and happiness. Indeed, love motivates people to work hard and inspires them during difficult times. However, without education, love may not survive the struggle of financial stability and lack of opportunities. Education strengthens the foundation of life, making love more sustainable in the long run. In conclusion, while love is valuable and necessary for human happiness, education must come first. It opens doors to opportunities, builds independence, and creates stability that love alone cannot provide. Once a person is educated and secure, love can follow naturally and flourish. Therefore, education should be prioritized over love, especially for the youth who are still building their future.